everyone, I want to show you here some tips on how to use my new page blenders and give you some ideas. Also, I have a tip on how to use them with our artsy splatter brushes and my new watercolor styles. So first, let's talk about the page blenders, okay? So I'm gonna start here. I have a 10 by 10 here, and I'm gonna bring a paper, and the paper is inside here. My water grunge paper here. Don't mind Photoshop. Sometimes it does that on my computer because there is a lot going on. These page blenders, they are great to, as the name says, to help you blend papers go together and bring you another set of background or even pictures. So I want to show you that. So I have here this main paper, and supposedly I want to bring a new kind of texture. So I'm going to remove this one, and let's bring here, I have the brush texture, which is from my Gesso volume 2. I'm gonna bring over here. I love this kind of flowery kind of textures. So now I'm gonna choose one of the page blenders, and I think I'm gonna bring this one here, and I'm gonna bring to the top there. And at first they work just as a regular clipping mask. The only difference that they are the page, you know, supposed to use on a page, so they have sometimes a harsh side. So I'm now going to bring that gesso on top of it, and Option Alt, and I'm gonna clip that. What I like about that is that it's very settled, so you can use as it is like this, or you can go to the mask also. So let me put this on a group. I just want to show you. So if I make a duplicate of this group, just gonna hide one. You can also use a blend mode with that group. So you see here is not so strong as this, so it almost like this texture is part of the paper, which I love. So then now we're gonna grab a picture. Here I have a picture of my backyard here, and just gonna get that, and I'm gonna go right click, flip vertical. Nope, did wrong. It's horizontal. Horizontal went that way to kind of be opposite of the texture. I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna bring another page blender, right? I'm just gonna turn this way. I'm gonna bring that picture, Option Alt, clip that. So it creates a perfect blend there for your pictures as well. So we can also, like if I bring one of my paper texture here, and let's bring this one. Let's bring over there. So as I said, it can also show you how to use this with, you know, to create a new set of papers. So you can bring a whole set of textures here and create a whole new set of papers. And as I said, you can come here and use a blend mode on this, and right there, and you create a whole new set of papers there. And so there's many possibilities with the paper blenders, and from here you know you can use them to many possibilities. But what I like most about it is this blended kind of look, and you don't see these harsh transitions, and you know, it's perfect. So these are on sale, and I can't wait to see what you do with those. And if you create something, let me know in the comments. I would love to see it. Or you can tag me also on Instagram. I'll see you guys next time.